In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set ringtone on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. And then if we go to settings and then notifications, we can notice that there is no option to set ringtone. However, we can change message notification sound and group notification sound. We can tap right here where it says sound, or right there, and then we'll be able to choose different sound, or we can tap at none to turn it off. However, if we want to set ringtone, if we want to change it, we need to change the ringtone on our entire device. So we can go to system settings, then sounds and haptics, ringtone, and that's where we can change the ringtone for WhatsApp and for other incoming calls. That's how you can easily set ringtone on your iPhone and WhatsApp.